How to add new buy offer on Tradekey.com. Go to Tradekey.com and sign in. Go to Buying section. Press Add New Buying Offer or press on Post Your Buy Offer Now button. Search your relevant category or select category from the provided list. Enter buy offer title. Please provide a relevant keyword or phrase here. Appropriate keywords will help relevant suppliers to find and search your buying requirement easily. Provide detailed description of your buying requirement. Attach a picture of product you are looking for. Please choose the time until this inquiry is valid. Please state how often are you likely to purchase the same product. Please enter the accurate bulk order quantity you are interested in ordering. Select unit. You can include your shipping terms if any. What is your destination port? Please provide here. You can allow only paid member to contact you, or you can allow all members to contact you. This includes free members also. Mention the FOB price and select unit. Select payment terms. Select from buy offer flag. You can add more information regarding the product you are looking for. Like now, we are posting buying requirements for solar panels. Enter brand name, material, size, number of cells and maximum power. Press Post It Now button. Your buy offer has been posted successfully. You can send buy offer message to our premium members directly. Enter your message, select any from options and press send. For more information, please contact us now or visit Tradekey.com.
Tradekey, your key to global trade.